I'll walk you through how to build AI agents using Vertex AI Agent Builder step by step in plain language. You don't need advanced coding skills, and you don't need to train models from scratch. Vertex AI Agent Builder is part of Google Cloud, and it lets you create AI agents that can talk to users, answer questions, and work with your own data. These agents can be used on websites, inside apps, or as internal business tools like support bots or assistants. Most of the work happens inside a visual interface where you configure behavior, instructions, and data sources instead of writing complex code. Before you begin, you'll need a Google Cloud account with billing enabled. Google usually provides free trial credits, which are enough to experiment and build small projects, but it's still important to keep an eye on usage. Once you're inside the Google Cloud console, open Vertex AI from the main menu. On the left, you'll see several tools, but the most important ones for this video are the Agent Engine and the Agent Garden. The Agent Garden contains pre-built examples that show how different types of agents work, which is useful for learning and inspiration. The Agent Engine is where you actually create your own agent. When you start a new agent, you'll first define its instructions. This is where you explain what the agent does, how it should behave, and what it should avoid. You write this in normal language, like telling the agent to be helpful, polite, and focused on clear answers. Vertex AI uses powerful models like Gemini, which are already trained, so you simply select a model and move on. You can also adjust response style and creativity using settings like temperature, where lower values make answers more factual and higher values allow more creative responses. A key feature is grounding, which allows the agent to use external information. You can ground the agent with Google Search, Maps, or your own data. Adding your own data is especially powerful because it lets the agent answer questions using your documents, policies, or product information. You upload this data into Vertex AI and connect it to the agent so responses stay accurate and aligned with your content. Vertex AI Studio lets you test everything in real time. You can ask sample questions, review answers, and tweak instructions until the agent behaves the way you want. Once you're satisfied, you can deploy the agent directly from the interface or generate code to integrate it into your application. After deployment, the agent is live, and you can continue monitoring conversations, improving responses, and updating data. This iterative process is expected and supported. Overall, Vertex AI Agent Builder is a flexible, beginner-friendly way to build AI agents that actually provide value. Start simple, refine as you go, and build confidence over time. Thanks for watching.